Repair tips that repairmen would never tell you. Watch till the end, and you'll definitely benefit. First tip. If you have an electric kettle at home, make sure your husband learns these repair tricks. If the kettle switch pops back up when pressed, just bend the metal spring plate inside the switch slightly upward. If the switch stays down but there's no power and the light doesn't turn on, use a screwdriver to lift the metal contact point on the base a little. If the kettle doesn't auto shut off after boiling, it's usually because the lid isn't sealed properly and steam is leaking. Use a hairdryer to heat the lid hinge area. Then insert a screwdriver inside. Press it down for a few seconds and it will be fixed. Second tip. If a gas stove ignites but goes out when you release the knob and you have to hold it for a long time to keep it lit, it's actually because there's carbon buildup on the flame sensor. Just sand the sensor lightly with sandpaper. After that, it will ignite easily. Third tip. Tie a shovel this way and it won't come loose for 10 years. Use pliers to twist the wire twice. Place it directly on the shovel and tighten the bottom. Then insert a screwdriver through the loop. Twist it to secure everything firmly. A shovel tied this way won't come loose no matter how you use it. Fourth tip. If you accidentally drop something into a drawer and the drawer won't close, what should you do? First, look at the rails on both sides of the drawer. There is a small latch in the middle of each rail. Remember this kaojue. Left up, right down. Lift up with your left hand and press down with your right hand. This way, you can easily remove the drawer. Then you can take the item out. Fifth tip. When connecting a faucet hose, it often twists and won't stay in place. Without wire or clamps, it's hard to secure it firmly. Learn this method, and no water pressure will force the hose off. Tighten from both directions for extra stability. Cross the wires, pull tightly, form a loop, and place it over the faucet. Use pliers to tighten the right wire. Then tighten the left wire. Wrap the extra wire around the faucet and coil, pulling it tight. A hose tied this way will never leak. Sixth tip. When replacing a faucet angle valve, the broken connector can get stuck inside the pipe. Use 2 small wrenches and place them inside the pipe. Gently twist them. The broken fitting can be removed easily. This method is simple and effective. You can also insert 2 hex bolts crossed inside. Place a wrench between them and twist gently to remove the pipe. Seventh tip. If a faucet keeps leaking, pry open the top cover first. Remove the faucet handle. Tighten the valve core with a wrench and reinstall it. The leaking problem will be solved. Eighth tip. Put your house keys on a needle tip. Bend the needle downward and attach it to a spray paint can. Hold down the key. The paint sprays more evenly than the original nozzle. Ninth tip. If cabinet doors don't close tightly and leave large gaps, here's an easy way to fix it. Open the cabinet and find the hinge. The rear screw fixes the door in place. The front screw adjusts the door gap. If the door won't close, turn it counterclockwise. If the gap is too large, turn it clockwise. After adjustment, the problem is solved. 10th tip. After long use, toilet seats often become loose. Lift up the toilet seat. Press the 2 buttons inside at the same time. Pull upward to remove it. Then remove the decorative cover. Tighten the 2 screws with a screwdriver. Reinstall it, and the problem is easily fixed. 11th tip. If the toilet flush feels weak, turn over the tank lid. Adjust these 2 screws to the lowest position, then check the water level line. If the water level is too high, turn the side screw right to lower it. Turn left to raise the water level. Remove the central flush valve. Set both switches to the lowest position. The weak flushing problem will be solved. 12th tip. If a washing machine keeps filling with water but doesn't start, open the back cover and find the plastic tube on the water level sensor. Pull it out. Use a soft wire to unclog the inside. Then reinstall the tube. The washing machine will work normally again. 13th tip. If cold water pressure is strong but hot water is weak in the kitchen, first close the water inlet valve of the heater. Follow the pipe to find the heater's filter screen. Remove it. After long use, sediment builds up and clogs the filter. Clean it thoroughly and reinstall it. The weak hot water problem will be solved. 14th tip. If the toilet doesn't refill after flushing, and you have to press the button several times, check whether the button isn't rebounding, causing the bottom seal to stick. If it doesn't rebound, pry open the button and stretch the spring on both sides. This increases the spring tension. Remove and clean the bottom sealing ring of the flush valve. Clean the outlet ring as well. Finally, tighten the bottom screw. The refill problem will be solved. 15th tip. If a TV remote clearly has power but works sometimes and not others, don't rush to replace it. Use a thin blade to pry it open around the edges. The remote will open easily. If the buttons respond poorly, it's because the contacts are too dirty. Spray alcohol onto a cotton swab. Wipe all the contact points thoroughly. Reassemble it afterward. The remote control will work properly again.